New research is refuting previous beliefs that anti-inflammatory drugs can prevent Alzheimer's disease. Several early studies suggested that non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs could help prevent Alzheimer's because they reduce inflammation, which has been long known to accompany brain lesions. Related to the clinical trials have since shown that anti-inflammatories did not help patients already showing symptoms of cognitive decline, so researchers tested if the drugs could play a part in preventing the disease in people with a heightened risk but who are not yet showing symptoms. Doctors tested whether the common NSAID naproxen, the active ingredient in Aleve, could stop the disease from developing before people began showing symptoms. However, a study published Thursday in the American Academy of Neurology found that it was ineffective. Researchers administered either the NSAID or placebo to 200 people with a family history of Alzheimer's disease but who had squeaky clean memory and cognitive abilities. Over 2 years, researchers measured the participants' Alzheimer progression score, a system designed to measure disease development. They found that, although there were changes, no evidence suggested that the APS change was reduced in those taking naproxen. Pierre-François Meyer, co-author of the study, said in a press release that there was not the slightest suggestion of any benefit. Additionally, Dr. John Breitner, co-author and director at the Center for Studies on Prevention of Alzheimer's Disease, said in the release that this may be the end of the road for the use of NSAIDs for treatment or prevention of Alzheimer's. He also said the study suggests a need for caution about using other anti-inflammatory drugs for this purpose. The world desperately needs a way to prevent this horrible disease, Breitner said, and many other avenues are being investigated.